Today's Daily Dose of Math is a geometry problem where we are working with the area formulas for two-dimensional shapes. But there's a twist, which is that instead of being given only numbers to work with, we have a mixture of numbers like 12 and algebraic expressions like 8x. In this situation, rhombus ABCD has an area of 10x squared minus 10x. And the small diagonal is 2x. But we're being asked for the area of trapezoid ACEF. We know the big base is 8x, the small base is 12, but we don't have the height, and we don't know the area. Because the area of the rhombus was given, we have a bit more to work with there, and we'll start with the area of a rhombus formula. Area is equal to big diagonal times small diagonal over 2. The area is 10x squared minus 10x. The big diagonal is our unknown, and the small diagonal is 2x. The first thing I'm going to do is cancel this 2 so that we have 10x squared minus 10x equals long diagonal times x. And now I'm going to divide both sides by x. These cancel. Our capital D is isolated and is equal to the answer I get when I divide this binomial by x. 10x squared divided by x is 10x, and minus 10x divided by x is minus 10. So now we have an algebraic expression for our long diagonal of the rhombus, which also happens to be the height of the trapezoid. Now we can move into the area of a trapezoid formula. The big B is the 8x. The small b is the 12. The height is the 10x minus 10. We can wait until the end to cancel this 2, or we can do it right away. I'm going to do it right away by canceling it with a 2 from this binomial. So this 10x will turn into 5x, and this minus 10 will turn into minus 5. So now we have 8x plus 12 times 5x minus 5. And we're multiplying two binomials. We get 40x squared minus 40x plus 60x minus 60. Combining similar terms, we have 40x squared plus 20x minus 60. And we have the area of the trapezoid, or we have an algebraic expression that represents the area of the trapezoid, which is as close as we can get in this problem. One thing's missing though, a unit of measure. Since no unit of measure was given in the problem, I like to use the word units as my unit. But this is an area, so what we have is an answer of 40x squared plus 20x minus 60 units squared. So what is it a student has to be able to do in order to answer this problem? We have to be able to work with the area formulas for two-dimensional shapes. And in this case, we're using two formulas in a two-step process. But we also have to have some polynomial skills. I have to be able to divide this binomial by this monomial. I have to be able to multiply two binomials and combine similar terms in order to get all the way to the end of this question. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.